This tutorial will show how to close a short position using ThinkorSwim platform for desktop of Ameritrade. When we are going to close a short position, we are basically going to buy stocks that we have sold without having them. So we had opened a short position, we had basically sold to open, and now to close that, we are going to do bought to close. So let's suppose that we have received a boost saying bought to close AAPL at 356. So we're here, simulated trading, and we're going to do buy to close. So since this is closing, the first thing we have to do is we got to go to monitor and look at our position statement and verify that indeed we are short in that stock that the boost said buy to close. So when we get a buy to close, we need to be short in order to be able to buy and close a position. So this is very easy. We are short and now we're going to buy. So we click on where the stock is in our position, and we right click and we say create a closing order. This is the easiest way. So we're going to buy to close 5 Apple at 357. Comes screen 5 Apple stock 357.16 limit. We leave the lock open. Limit day best. Confirm and send. And this is saying buy to close 5 Apple shares. Hit send and it failed. How do we verify that we bought to close? We go to position, we verify that it's in 0, and then the other way we have to verify is we go to monitor, we look at our positions, and we verify that Apple is indeed in 0, meaning that we did close that position. And that is how you follow a boost of buy to close using ThinkorSwim platform version desktop for Ameritrade. Thank you very much.